Hi everyone. I hope everyone is keeping safe, healthy, and happy. I'm back again with a very exciting topic today, which is thinking. So, typically, obviously, the gap between the successful people and the unsuccessful people is just the thinking. So, we have to be a wishful what we are thinking of. So, today, my talk typically is on thinking, and if I'll talk about the one criteria of thinking is the attitude you carry. And so many in the past sessions, I've already covered about the attitude, how you can have a good attitude, right? Right? How you can have a positive mental, emotional balance. And so that you can create, your environment, your surrounding, a happy surrounding. So today also, I would like to cover more on a highlight on the attitude part. So basically, it's like a paintbrush of our mind. We determine the picture. Like if I'll talk about, we always, whatever. If I'll talk about the painters, so what they do is generally they have the picture in their mind, and then only that picture will come out in the pencil form and they will draw that picture. So that is what the attitudes is all about. Whatever the thinking process you carry, whether it is a positive, negative, and all those stuff, it's always reflect on you. So whatever you are thinking is always reflect on the your physical appearance, your mental appearance. It always reflect the thinking process you carry. So you have to have a very good attitude. So if I'll talk about uh, s- mm, some of the parameters on how you can have a very good attitude is how you can balance your thinking process, which I have learned from John C. Maxwell, a very great book he has written on the thinking, how you can think right. So the parameters he has covered in that book is, first of all, you have to celebrate the good. Like if I'll just give you a very a very great example. 2 days back we had a major earthquake, and in my city Rohtak, it was the epicenter. And everyone is scared. They are, we all are adding the status like be safe, be at your home, and stay with your family, and all those stuff we are we have added. So that is a major crisis. Everyone was like, "Ki, how this 2020 is going on, and what is the, God has sent us a message." And today only, in our city only, we had a great and a beautiful rainbow. So God will give you a message in that form only. He will always first of all give you the crisis so that you can come out from that situation, and then you can celebrate that beautiful success and the result and the outcome of that particular message, what he wanted to draw out of it. And so many in my past talk also, I've covered so many things about how this corona has gave us the opportunity to come out the best person we are. And like I have shared my stories before this corona, I've never gone live. I was not actually active on Facebook. It's not about the live, but I was not actually active on the Facebook. I don't used to post so many pictures. I don't really scroll Facebook. I don't really a social media person. Everyone asked me to come down on the Facebook, but I was like bit of scared. But just because of this corona and the situation, now I am a proud person that I can go live, inspire so many people, and actually I'm getting so many good comments from my family and from my friends. They can look up to me for any of their life solution, which gives me a proud feeling of whatever I am doing today. So it's always you have to celebrate whatever the message God has given to you, and you have to come out with a very positive result out of it. And the next part, if I'll talk about, add a good value in the person's life. Like if you're not adding a really good value in the other person's life, uh, then the person will not able to remember you. So you have to add a very good value in the person's life. Like John C. Maxwell used to say, instead of just telling your story, just tell about your struggle. Ask the person about their struggle also. Ask the person about their mental attitude, how they are going through, and all those stuff. Then only you will able to relate with those people. You have to tell your story also. You have to actually, but you have to have that listening, listening capacity, so that you can listen to that person, and then you can relate to whatever the life situation they are going through, and then you can give the solution to that person. So you have to had a very good value in the other person life. How you can do that? You have to have a right thinking for that. So basically the listening power is, you should have a very good listening power. And the next part, if I'll cover, is a give the god a concern. What concern is, what I used to do is, I basically used to do is, every time when I was frustrated from my childhood only. So I used to, tell भगवान जी, ये हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ में, ये हो रहा है, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, अब आप मुझे सोल्यूशन दो, वरना मैं कैसे करूंगी. दिस इज यू दिस इज व्हाट आई यूज टू टेल टू हिम, लाइक प्लीज भगवान जी मुझे कुछ तो सोल्यूशन दो. So if we are not able to tell our concern, what we are thinking, what we are going through, we are never be able to, get the feedback from him, or we never will get the proper message कि ओके बच्चा आपकी लाइफ में ये हो रहा है, सो यू कैन डू लाइक दैट. वो कभी भी आपको आके नहीं बोलेंगे, आपके पास बैठ कर नहीं बोलेंगे. ही विल ऑलवेज गिव यू पर्सन. वो आपकी लाइफ में एक मैसेंजर की तरह किसको भेज देंगे जो आपके के लिए सॉल्यूशन देगा. फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज, मैं रोज रात को प्रे कर सोती हूँ. दैट इज माय हैबिट फ्रॉम माय चाइल्डहुड. सो जब भी मैं प्रे करती हूँ ना, मेरे दिमाग में कोई ना कोई एक क्वेश्चन जरूर होता है. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई दैट. Whenever you have that question in your mind, in the morning or maybe 2 days later or sometime later, you will get the result of that question. You will surely get the answer in one or other form. Like 2 days back only, I just had a question in my mind, and when I was reading a book, I actually got and relate that answer from that particular question what I had, and I actually got my answer. Okay, this was something which I was doing wrong, and this is the step which I can do further and correct myself in a very good manner. So that is what you have to actually tell your concern to the right person, so that you can get the right message and where you are actually missing in that point. So that you can get a solution out of it. If you are not telling your concern, you are just making your subconscious mind filling एवरी टाइम कि यार ये हो गया वो हो गया. और ऑब्वियसली अगर आप अपने आप को भर रहे हो, तो आपको रिजल्ट कैसे मिलेगा, आपको पॉजिटिविटी कैसे आएगी, आपको मोटिवेशन कैसे आएगी, जब आप किसी और को बताओगे ही नहीं आपका कंसर्न क्या है. यू हैव टू टेल योर कंसर्न टू द गॉड. So that is the third point. And the fourth point, if I'll tell about, the people with a good attitude always have the learning attitude. They always have the teachability attitude. So what John C. Maxwell used to say is, and Vijay Bhai also used to say, who used to mentor us. So basically, if we are not teachable, like in Three Idiots, Amir Khan also said, लाइक जहां से भी जो भी चीज मिल रहा है, जस्ट स्क्रैप इट. आपको जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन जहां से भी मिल रहा है, चाहे आप कितने भी बड़े हो, डजेंट मैटर योर एज, डजेंट मैटर यू आर a बच्चा or you are a 50 years or 60 years old person, but you always have to have a learning attitude if you are starting a new thing. यू कांट बी लाइक ऑन द ईगोइस्ट पर्सन कि यार मुझे तो सब पता है, मैं इतनी एज हो गई है, अब मुझे ज्ञान मत दो. इवन इफ माई ब्रदर, ही इज 6 year smaller than me, even if he used to tell me something, I have to listen to him. Maybe that is for my benefit. Like today only he was telling me something about, Yashika, you can do this, Yashika, you can go for this. It will add a good value for your social media and all those stuff, because I'm not very you know formal. I'm not very awkward on person on the social media, but he is very active on those area. So he is telling me you can do this, you can do that, so that it can add a very good value and things in your page and in your YouTube channels and all those stuff. So I have to have a very good attitude, and everyone used to have a good attitude. Like the childhood, we used to, listen to our teachers and everyone. So the same way, we used to have a teachable attitude every time. take the responsibility of your attitude. Like if I'm crying, if I'm not lazy sometimes, if I'm angry, if I'm anything, so I have to take the attitude, responsibility of my own attitude. I can't add that okay उसकी वजह से मेरी लाइफ में ये सब चीजें हो रही है. That is something which is not really true. That is the responsibility of our own brain, whatever we are thinking. So if I'll give you the example, everyone has gone through this. सबको पता है ना कि half water, half glass, and empty glass or half full. So if I'll talk about the negative people, what they will say, यार ये गिलास तो हाफ एम्प्टी है, उसने मुझे इतना ही चीज दिया, उसको पूरा भरकर देना चाहिए था. But if I'll talk about the positive people, if I'll talk about the thinking, so the people with the positive attitude, they will say कि यार उसने मुझे इतना भरा हुआ गिलास दिया, वाओ क्या बात है. So that is the attitude, distinguish between the positive and the negative attitude people used to carry, and that is the thinking process what we used to carry. So you have to take the responsibility of your own good attitude. How you can take that? Fill your mind with the good things. Like I don't watch news. I really don't watch any of the news channel and all those stuff. I told many of the time in my chats in the past, my live sessions. So if I'm, I'll tell you a story of the crime patrol. So earlier in my childhood, we all of our sisters used to watch Crime Patrol a lot. It was like our favorite series, favorite pastime to watch Crime Patrol. And I just went for IIT exam in Delhi, and that was the first time I was traveling alone. And in my time, that IIT exam got delayed. Like there was some confusion, there was some leak, like IIT exam got leaked. So that time there was a confusion of where she'll go. Now the exam will be delayed, the time will be delayed, and the exam got a bit of delay. So my whole of my family is like कि यार यशिका कहाँ जाएगी, where she'll go now, she's all alone in that area, what she will do, agar ye ho gaya to wo ho gaya. Continuously I'm getting the call from my parents, from my siblings. They were so worried about me, and there was two three girls with me, and they were like, Yashika, are you the very first time over here? Because those girl belongs to Delhi, and they were just thinking, why everyone is calling you so many times? You are safe here. There are so many students out of here. Why they are so concerned? Then suddenly I don't know how come they find out that some of my family person and their friends and their relative used to live in the same area. So they came, they picked me up, and I had a lunch in their place, and then I came back for my IIT exam. So the moral of the story is just कि if you watch certain things, that will get registered in your mind, and that is what after having so many of Crime Patrol series and all those stuff, we are so scared कि यार दिल्ली में जाएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, दिल्ली में जाएंगे तो वो हो जाएगा, हमारी लड़की अकेली है, वो क्या करेगी, ये हो गया तो वो हो गया तो. And it was like a panic situation happened in my family at that time. Everyone is calling me and all those stuff, and after that I really stopped watching that Crime Patrol. Even if my sister used to watch, I was like, switch off the TV. I can't see this Crime Patrol anymore. So that was the thing. If you attract the negative energy, you will stay with that. So you have to fill your mind with the good and the positive things, and meditate with the good things. Whatever you have, meditate with all those things, and whatever you want, just concentrate on certain things, whatever you want in your life, so that you can get that. So you have to meditate all those stuff. And see, sunna, listening, and learning is all just a part of life, but we have to practice all those stuff on the daily basis. If we are not able to practice those stuff, we will not gonna achieve anything. It's always like we have to give the practice and stuff. Like if I'll talk about doctors, अगर उन्होंने सिर्फ बुक्स में सुन लिया, पढ़ लिया कि ऐसे ऑपरेशन होता है, वैसे ऑपरेशन होता है, कभी लाइफ में करके नहीं देखा. लाइक they have never done it प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया उस चीज का, और डायरेक्टली दे वेंट टू द इन द ऑपरेशन थिएटर, और वो स्टार्ट करते हैं करना, और कुछ भी एक आधी चीज भी है, इफ कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, कुछ भी गड़बड़ हो जाता है, तो यू कैन सी कि कितना मैसिव इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है उस चीज का। तो एवरी टाइम डॉक्टर ऑल्सो यूज टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल दोज थिंग्स टू टू गेट देयर माइंड रजिस्टर कि अच्छा इस स्टेप के बाद वी हैव टू डू दिस। द सेम गोज विद आर आईटी स्टाफ। अगर हम कोडिंग करते हैं, या हम कुछ भी एक एप्लीकेशन डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, या वट एवर वी डू, अगर हम एक बार प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो वो कितना मैसिव इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए, कि हम कितना गलत उस चीज पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। तो हम उस चीज को प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। लाइक अ स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो, अगर कोई बच्चा है, हम उसको एक बार एबीसीडी सिखा दिया, लेकिन हम उसको बार बार रिपीटेड मैनर में एबीसीडी नहीं बुलवा रहे हैं, तो वो भूल जाएगा। उसको कहाँ से याद रहेगा कि कौन सी एबीसीडी, क्या एबीसीडी, कुछ तो उसको याद नहीं रहने वाला है। हमें उसको डेली बेसिस पे रिमाइंड कराना पड़ेगा कि ये ABCD है, ABBCCCD। तो वो हम डेली बेसिस पे करते हैं, तभी हमारे माइंड पे जाके रजिस्टर होती है चीज। तो वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस डेली बेसिस एटलीस्ट for minimum to minimum 2 years. We have to do that practice so that we can register those stuff in our mind, and वो हमारी subconscious mind में घुस जाए, और हम उसके अलावा कुछ सोच ही ना पाए। That is what we have to do. So I will end my topic with one saying: God choose what we go through, but we have to choose how we go through it. So I'm really a big follower now of John C. Maxwell, and I'm big thankful to PIM what I am today. It's only because of the PIM and Vijay Bhai and everyone who used to mentor me on the daily basis. Baki, it's always like you have to practice all those stuff. Otherwise, you will not gonna get a good result. So thank you so much for listening to me patiently, and have a great time. Be safe, be healthy.